All right, perfect. So we were done with the first part of the chapter. We were done with the first 3-4 pages. We were done till here, and now we come over here. So in 138 page, 138 and 139, there's nothing much there for you to read. It's all based on understanding, right? There are these 4 points that has been given to you, which is very, very important. So I've just summarized these 4 points right over here. Ray parallel to principal axis will pass through the focus. Ray parallel through the focus is ray passing through the focus is parallel. Ray passing through the center of curvature bounces back, right? And angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. These are the 4 points that has been given over here through ray diagrams. These are important, may or may not come, but it came in one of my unit tests, so I'm just telling it to you. Just study it, don't neglect it, right? And you got this table. This table is very, very, very important, because your questions definitely will come through this table, either by word problems, or it'll come by directly making this these images itself. And these diagrams are given in the next page right here. So do practice these diagrams. These are for concave mirrors, and I've written virtual and erect over here. So look at where the object is being placed and where the image is being formed very carefully. This is a very, very important case. This comes as a question on where, in which spot the object is placed and the image is formed at the same size as the object. That is going to be at center of curvature, right? So that's very, very important. That's a very, very important case. And this is another important case, which is vertical and erect, and everything else is over here. This is also mildly important, because they can ask you, there's an object placed at certain distance and the image is formed as its focus. So where is the object placed? And you'll say that the object is placed at infinity. All right, so this is important for concave mirror, and these are the uses of concave mirror. All right, there's a torch. Solar furnace is super, super important. That's why I've put 2 stars over here. Said headlights, shaving mirrors, and in use of dentists. Right, now we'll go to convex mirror. In convex mirror, these are the only 2 diagrams you need to know. Remember and make sure that these are point sized images that are being formed. It doesn't have any height, it's just a dot, right? So your image is being formed virtually and direct over here, and it's only point size. In the first case, which is coming from infinity, it's point size, and over here there is some little height. It has a little height, right? So these are important pointers to remember. And the image is always formed virtual and erect over here. Coming to this part, MCQ is always asked from here. You can see a full length image of a tall building or tree from a convex mirror, and its use is a rear view mirror. And why is convex mirror used? The entire reason has been given over here, and this is a very, very important question, because this is being asked, has been asked, is being asked, probably will get asked, we don't know, but this is important, and the explanation has been written over here. Good, that's it.